Okay, so this is an 5 years old Honda mower, and this is the model GCV 170. So it has been a great mower. I haven't done anything to it, but now. A 2020 mower is a GCV 170 or Honda HRN 216. This has been a great mower, and you can see in my last video about this mower I did the replacement of the belt. This belt was of course 5 years old, and it went down when it was damaged, and then it didn't work. Basically what it was doing, it was moving the blades, but it was not advancing from the rear wheels. So after that I fixed replaced the belt, and you can see in the other video that I just made. So what are we going to do now? I never did any kind of maintenance in 5 years to this mower, and it's been a great mower. So now what we're going to do is we're going to replace with original parts the air filter, the spark plug, and the oil. So the oil is already drained because I did it when I had to do the belt, but now we're going to replace everything that I just told you. Air filter. As you can see, the air filter is bad. So this is the new one and the old one. So there is no comparison. So for this one, we just remove it, replace, perfect fit. Filter is done. Now, the spark plug. We remove the cap. We are going to use a 3/16 wrench. I think it looks great, but it has been 5 years since we bought it, and we have the new one from Honda, the same. So we're going to put it to install it. So we just need to remove this one. These are NGK R, so great brand, Japanese. Make sure to put it with your hand first. Once it's there, you can just spin it. Alright, it's there. Now plug the cap, and then the last but not least is the most important part of the maintenance, is to replace the oil. So right now, let's check it out, because let's see, it doesn't have or almost nothing. So we're going to do new Honda 10W30. Good, perfect. Almost. Once it goes down, you can check it. We're full of oil. We're good. Now let's see the moment of the screw. Great. Follow me.